Illinois is changing the way it collects data on vaccinations, all because of a CBS 2 investigation, one that revealed COVID cases in one of our largest communities of color weren't getting counted. CBS 2 investigator Dorothy Tucker reveals how the change will help the state fight the pandemic.
Are you vaccinated?
I am vaccinated.
As co-founder of a community organization, the Arab American Family Services, Aijadel Shalabi got the vaccine early in January. When it came to race, what did you check?
White.
Are you white?
I am not white.
So why did you check white?
And that was the only choice I had.
What's that like, not to have that box?
It hurts.
Niraman Taha is also a co-founder of the organization.
It's frustrating. It tells you that you don't exist.
That frustration was the crux of a CBS 2 investigation in May, when we first broke the story of how a community of nearly 150,000 people in Illinois was among the hardest hit by COVID-19. Yet the deaths were not being tracked by the city, county, or state.
I wish she's here. I wish she didn't leave us. We miss her.
We discovered our Abu Layla's mom was listed as other on the Cook County Medical Examiner's report and showed where every other race is counted, but there is no box for Arabs.
I feel like we're not noticed, or like we feel like we're left behind.
And when the life-saving vaccine was rolling out, Arabs still weren't being counted. That just made it harder to convince some in the community to get the vaccine, that it was critical to saving lives.
This matters to us. This being counted and being part of the larger community is important.
So we wanted to know why Arabs weren't being counted, and more importantly, would state officials finally make a change? The push for answers started with this email on April 21st, sent to the state, asking that very question, why? The immediate response from the governor's office, we're working on it. 8 days later, we're told the MENA category, Middle Eastern North African, has now been added. Only when we checked the state's dashboard, used by the public to track vaccine distribution, it wasn't there. We kept checking all of May, most of June, nothing. On June 28th, the governor had a press conference.
Are you going to keep your promise to the Arab American community to add that designation?
Well, I certainly will talk to IDPH, and I don't know where that is in process, but we'll make sure to get back to you about it.
They did. This is what the community was waiting on.
Oh, the Middle Eastern North African. Woo! Sorry, I had to see it with my eyes. I was like, yes, yeah. Congratulations.
Finally, a box for those who identify as Middle Eastern or North African, MENA.
Just seeing this is absolutely wonderful.
Keep in mind the state health department had been collecting vaccination data for months, adding up to millions.
And then you're looking at over 7 million.
But Arabs weren't added to the mix until late April.
I don't see our lime green in the chart.
So compared to other groups,
White, 7.7.
So how many people put Asian too?
the numbers of Arabs vaccinated was low.
Very low.
Absolutely,
And we
yeah.
know that they're not accurate.
Right.
Because we know, as Neriman said, we did more than that in our office alone. We did more than that in registering people. But we had to put white because it wasn't there previous.
Right.
Still,
It's a stepping stone.
Yeah.
It's the first step to many more steps of being counted and visible and recognized as a community.
the goal now to educate the community about the new box and be counted as Arab Americans for the first time in Illinois history.
We are visible now. We exist.
Community leaders want to see a box for Arabs in all forms, from education to hospitals to law enforcement. That will require a new law. So now, that's what they're working on. Dorothy Tucker, CBS 2 Investigators.